Advanced Python Programming, latest version for the November 2015. In this topic, I'm explaining all the topic and subtopic and the content for latest video that I will be put in the YouTube channel. First, we will discuss about Python performance optimization. We talk about memory management and debugging, metaprogramming and decorators, testing and automation, packaging and deployment. We also talk about data serialization and interfacing, protobuf, JSON, HTF5, and about REST API and so on. We talk about advanced visualization. We will talk about real-time streaming data, and also we talk about the image and video processing using library like OpenCV, GStreamer, and FFmpeg. Also we talk about the buffering mechanism and caching. Also we talk about the multiple camera synchronization and low latency in the multi-camera processing. When we attach several cameras together in your program, we need to somehow sync between them, and using advanced method to read the data in sync version. So we also talk about media foundation, MF on Windows, and also using UVC USB video classes to read the buffering data directly from the camera and so on.